Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to compare Animaker with Powtoon. The first thing I'm going to share with you or like compare our pricing plans. Then I will look on the features like what you can actually do and achieve with Powtoon and what you can achieve with Animaker. So let's start. Both Powtoon and Animaker are great. They're both working on web-based platforms, so that's gonna be a little bit disadvantage only because let's say that you're gonna not have stable internet connection. In that way, I don't know, you can lose all your work, so that's something you should keep in mind. So this is kind of disadvantage for both. Now when we compare pricing plans, both Powtoon got Pro and Pro Plus for $100 and $200. For $200 you get literally everything, and you have options to build it monthly or annual. Annual is really cheap, but monthly is pretty expensive. So my recommendation, it would be like test it out by yourself if you like it, if you find it good, or if you don't find it good and useful. Now, when we compare the exports, the free account is really limited. I will show you when you want to use the free account, you are going to get really limited what you can actually do in the whole software. So I recommend definitely go with like Pro or Pro Plus, and then you're gonna see like 5 premium exports per month, up to 10 minutes, 200 recordings, and storage 2 GB. On the other hand, when we come here to Animaker, Animaker is pretty cheap comparing to Powtoon. So Powtoon on monthly basis is for $100 a month. Here it's only 20 bucks. Starter is 35, and you got 10 premium downloads. So what you got actually in unlimited in Pro Plus for $200, here it's 10, or you can go with the Pro version for $79 and you can have 20 premium downloads a month. So really depends how many downloads, exports you want a month is the really important thing. So yes, Animaker is cheaper comparing to Powtoon, but the question is if it's actually better. So when I come here, HD, and now upload your own files, 5 GB in a basic account for $45. Here it's 2 GB in a Pro version. So in many ways, Animaker is cheaper, and I can't really say better, it's just cheaper. And it boils down to how many downloads you actually want every single month. Now when we go further to the features and how we can actually work with it, so in Animaker I simply create a video, give character, create a video. Now I can choose templates. Same here when I would come here to Powtoon. Let me show you templates. They both got plenty of templates that you can use. Another thing is that what I heard and what I know is that Animaker is working on Java, and it can be kind of slow sometimes what you can actually do with it. So that's something you should keep in mind. So when you come here, you're gonna see like choose a template, and you can go like remote learning, digital change management, and let's say I'm going to choose International Women's Day here. Okay, I'm going to turn the volume off, and you see how it looks like, that you can literally edit it like this, edit the template. Same here, I'm going to, today is a special day, the birthday day, edit the template. And let's see now. Oh, here we go. So this is it. Okay, so what I can do, here on the right side I see scenes. In Animaker, in Powtoon is on the left side. I can click here from edit to create, and directly I can see everything here. So I have options to add a text, characters, props, shapes, images. So when I'm going to compare the characters here, same thing here, I'm gonna have characters. Again, I can simply choose a character. Then I have scene here, and then on the right side I can choose the action, what the character is doing, right? So let's say he's crying or showing with talking, and then I can add a transaction here, transition. So you have plenty of options what you can do, or like left to right. So I can create also that one if I want to. On the other hand, when I come here to Powtoon, so let's say that I have health and safety somewhere, and I have a person here, so I'm going to choose it. And now, as you can see, when I'm going to click on it, I can click poses, and I can simply choose also what kind of pose I want for the person to do. So as you can see, it's pretty similar. And click settings here. I can add animation or loop animation. Then I can press effects. Again, slide. This is really similar to Animaker. As you can see what you can do. It really boils down to which one you like more and which one you prefer. I would recommend like for you to actually play around with things and to figure it out by yourself that, okay, I like the editing in Animaker more. So in my opinion, Animaker is more easy for me to use comparing to Powtoon and what you can actually do with it and how it actually works. But maybe that's me, maybe you will like it. So transport, I have a car here. Again, I see the animation here, and I can also edit it. It's going to like right here, like in both you can also add a text. You get the backgrounds that you can edit and use. Images. But most important are those characters. Plenty of characters are available. Here, when I'm going to press characters here too, let's say I'm going to choose this woman here and same style. I can change the colors of it. Let's say here that I'm going to work life. And let's see if I can actually change the colors here too. So click settings, arrange, no, pose, flip. So as you can see that I can't really change the colors because here I can, right? Top wear. So that's huge. That's something you can actually do here. If I'm not mistaken. Okay, you can see the color, but it's like brown out. So some of them you can, but some of you can't. Here in Animaker, you're free to do it as much as you want, right? So this is something that you should definitely keep in mind, what you can actually do. And you can simply switch it and rotate it. And we can switch transitions here. Yep, so that's pretty much it, and it's pretty easy. So if you have any questions, guys, ask me down in comments. In my opinion, they're both great. I can't really say that one is better comparing to the other, that you should use that one or that one. They're both okay-ish. So thank you very much, guys, for watching. Animaker is just cheaper. Have a great day and goodbye. See ya.